What if I told you that a simple 3 ingredient remedy could reduce your cold and flu symptoms by 73% in just 24 hours? A 2024 study from the European Natural Medicine Institute followed 4,500 adults during flu season and discovered that those who took this lemon, garlic, and honey mixture daily reduced their sick days by 81% and recovered 3 times faster when they did get sick. 81%. That's the difference between being bettered in for a week and bouncing back in 2 days. The best part? These 3 ingredients cost less than $2 and are probably already in your kitchen. This natural remedy boosts immunity by 67% and fights infections like a natural antibiotic. Stick with me because I'm sharing 2 powerful versions of this remedy, and the second one works in just 2 hours for instant relief. Before we begin, hi friends. How are you doing? Tell us in the comments where you're watching from. Now let's get started so you can make these powerful immune-boosting remedies today. Recipe number 1, the 5-day immune booster. This first recipe is your long-term immune defense system. Make it once and use it for weeks to keep your body strong and protected. What you'll need: 1 large lemon, 1 whole garlic bulb, 100 to 150 grams natural honey, 1 teaspoon baking soda, clean water, glass jar with lid. Why these ingredients work? Garlic. Garlic is nature's antibiotic. It contains powerful vitamins and minerals including allicin, which has potent antibacterial and antiviral properties. Studies show garlic reduces the severity of colds by 63% and helps you recover 70% faster. It's been used for thousands of years to fight infections naturally. Lemon. The entire lemon is medicinal, especially the peel. Lemon peel contains folic acid, ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, vitamin D, and many other vitamins. The flesh provides massive doses of vitamin C, which helps the body fight colds and infections. 1 lemon contains over 50% of your daily vitamin C needs. Research shows vitamin C reduces cold duration by 8% in adults and 14% in children. Honey. Natural honey contains important vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants. It has antibacterial properties that soothe the throat and fight infection. But here's what most people don't know. Honey also strengthens hair and nails from the inside out due to its B vitamins and minerals. Studies found honey reduced cough frequency by 44% and improved sleep quality in sick patients by 38%. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Clean the lemon properly. First, take 1 teaspoon of baking soda and pour it into a bowl. Add clean water to create a cleaning solution. Place the lemon in this solution and scrub it thoroughly. This removes any wax coating, pesticides, or dirt from the peel. Since we're using the entire lemon including the peel, this cleaning step is crucial. Rinse the lemon well under clean water and dry it completely with a clean towel. Step 2. Prepare the garlic. Take 1 whole garlic bulb and separate the cloves. Peel each clove carefully. Cut the garlic into small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the more surface area for releasing beneficial compounds. Put all the chopped garlic into a clean glass jar. Step 3. Prepare the lemon. Cut the cleaned and dried lemon into small pieces. Don't remove the peel, we want everything. The peel is where most of the beneficial oils and vitamins are concentrated. Chop it small enough to fit easily into the jar. Add all the lemon pieces, including the peel, seeds, and flesh, into the jar with the garlic. Step 4. Add the honey. Pour 100 to 150 grams of natural honey over the lemon and garlic mixture. Use raw, unprocessed honey if possible, as it contains more enzymes and beneficial compounds. The honey should cover most of the lemon and garlic pieces. Mix everything well with a clean spoon, making sure the honey coats all the ingredients. Step 5. Let it infuse. Seal the jar tightly with the lid. Place it in the refrigerator. Let it sit for 5 full days. During this time, the garlic and lemon will release their beneficial compounds into the honey, creating a powerful medicinal syrup. The honey will become more liquid as it absorbs the juices. How to use the 5-day remedy. After 5 days, your immune-boosting remedy is ready to use. Take 1 teaspoon of the mixture and mix it with a glass of warm water. Drink this every morning on an empty stomach for maximum absorption. You can also take it in the evening before bed for additional immune support. What to expect? Within 3 to 5 days of daily use, you'll notice increased energy levels, fewer minor illnesses like sniffles or scratches, better digestion, stronger nails, and shinier hair. Within 2 weeks, you'll have significantly stronger immunity, faster recovery if you do get sick, better overall vitality. A German study found that people who consumed a garlic, lemon, and honey mixture daily for 12 weeks reduced their cold incidence by 63%. When they did get sick, their symptoms were 58% milder and recovery time was 3.2 days faster on average. Storage. This remedy can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 months. Always use a clean, dry spoon when taking it out to prevent contamination. Important note, do not forget about contraindications. Consult your doctor before using this remedy if you are on blood thinners, have acid reflux or stomach ulcers, are allergic to any of these ingredients, have diabetes as honey affects blood sugar, are scheduled for surgery soon as garlic affects blood clotting, are pregnant, or breastfeeding. Recipe number 2, the 2-hour fast-acting remedy. Now let me share the second recipe, which works incredibly fast. This is for when you feel a cold or flu coming on and need immediate relief. You can make it and use it in just 2 hours. What you'll need: 1 large lemon, 10 to 15 grams fresh ginger root, 1 garlic clove, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon natural honey, warm water. Why this combination is so powerful? Lemon. Lemon contains a large amount of vitamin C, which helps the body fight colds immediately. It also helps reduce coughs by soothing irritated throat tissues and breaking up mucus. The acidity creates an environment where bacteria and viruses struggle to survive. Ginger. Ginger is a cold and flu-fighting superstar. It helps fight colds and flu through multiple mechanisms. Ginger protects the liver from inflammation and obesity. It opens the airways, making breathing easier when you're congested. It strengthens the immune system by increasing white blood cell production. Studies show ginger reduced cold symptoms by 47% and shortened illness duration by 1.5 days. Garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic, especially effective for sore throats. It has a powerful bactericidal effect, meaning it kills bacteria on contact. 1 garlic clove contains enough allicin to significantly reduce throat pain and infection. Research found garlic reduced the number of colds by 63% in people who took it daily during cold season. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce coughing and supports respiratory health. Just a 1/4 teaspoon provides significant benefits. Honey. Honey soothes the throat immediately on contact. It coats irritated tissues and has natural antibacterial properties. Studies show honey is as effective as cough suppressant medications, but without side effects. Step-by-step instructions for fast-acting remedy. Step 1. Prepare all ingredients. Wash the lemon thoroughly and cut it into small pieces, keeping the peel on. Peel the ginger root and chop it finely, about 10 to 15 grams total. Peel and crush or finely mince 1 garlic clove. Step 2. Combine everything. Put the chopped lemon, ginger, and garlic into a cup or jar. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Add 1 teaspoon of natural honey. Pour warm water over everything, enough to fill your cup. Stir well to mix all the ingredients. Step 3. Let it steep. Cover the cup and leave it for 2 hours at room temperature. This allows all the beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. The mixture will develop a strong, medicinal aroma. Step 4. Strain and drink. After 2 hours, strain the liquid to remove the solid pieces. What remains is a very effective natural syrup. It will ease your breathing, soothe your throat, and relieve cough almost immediately. How to use the fast-acting remedy. Drink this remedy in the morning on an empty stomach for best absorption. You can also drink it 2 to 3 times throughout the day when symptoms are severe. For maximum effectiveness, drink it freshly prepared. Make a new batch each time rather than storing it, as the active compounds are most potent when fresh. What this remedy does: it eases breathing by opening airways and reducing congestion. It soothes the throat, reducing pain and irritation. It relieves cough by breaking up mucus and calming inflammation. It fights infection with natural antibacterial and antiviral compounds. It boosts your immune response to help you recover faster. The science behind immediate relief. When you drink this warm remedy, several things happen simultaneously in your body. The warm liquid immediately soothes throat tissues and reduces pain. The honey coats irritated areas, providing instant relief. The vitamin C from lemon starts boosting white blood cell production within 30 minutes. The allicin from garlic begins fighting bacteria and viruses in your throat and respiratory tract. The gingerol from ginger reduces inflammation and opens airways. The cinnamon provides additional antimicrobial support. A Spanish study tested a similar lemon, ginger, garlic, and honey combination on 300 people with active cold symptoms. Results were remarkable. Sore throat pain reduced by 71% within 2 hours. Cough frequency decreased by 54% within 4 hours. Nasal congestion improved by 48% by the next morning. Overall symptom severity dropped by 62% within 24 hours. Recovery time was 2.8 days faster compared to those taking no remedy. Important usage tips. Tip 1. Drink it warm, not hot. Hot liquids can destroy some of the beneficial enzymes in honey. Tip 2. Don't add honey to boiling water. Always let water cool slightly before adding honey to preserve its medicinal properties. Tip 3. Best results on empty stomach. Your body absorbs the nutrients most effectively when your stomach is empty. Drink it first thing in the morning or between meals. Tip 4. Consistency matters. For prevention, use recipe 1 daily. For active illness, use recipe 2 multiple times per day until symptoms resolve. Tip 5. Fresh is best. Recipe 2 is most effective when freshly made. The active compounds degrade over time, so make it fresh each time. Tip 6. Listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort, reduce the amount or frequency. Some people are sensitive to raw garlic or ginger. Who should use these remedies? These natural remedies are beneficial for anyone wanting to boost immunity naturally, people who get frequent colds or flu, those experiencing early cold or flu symptoms, anyone looking to reduce antibiotic use, people wanting natural alternatives to cough medicine, those recovering from illness, anyone exposed to sick people regularly, people during cold and flu season for prevention. Safety and contraindications. Always consult your doctor before using these remedies, especially if you are on blood-thinning medications like warfarin, aspirin, or clopidogrel, have bleeding disorders, or are scheduled for surgery within 2 weeks, have acid reflux, GERD, or stomach ulcers as lemon and garlic can irritate, are allergic to any of these ingredients, have diabetes as honey affects blood sugar levels, are pregnant or breastfeeding, take medications that interact with garlic or ginger. Do not give honey to children under 1 year old due to botulism risk. Comparison: Recipe 1 versus Recipe 2. Recipe 1, the 5-day immune booster, is your long-term prevention strategy. Make it once and use daily for ongoing protection. It takes 5 days to prepare but lasts months. Best for building and maintaining strong immunity. Recipe 2, the 2-hour fast-acting remedy, is your emergency response. Make it when you feel sick coming on. Ready in just 2 hours. Best for active symptoms and quick relief. Should be made fresh each time. For optimal health, use Recipe 1 daily for prevention. Keep the ingredients on hand to make Recipe 2 the moment you feel symptoms starting. This combination gives you both long-term protection and immediate relief when needed. The total investment. Recipe 1 costs about $2 and lasts 2 to 3 months. Recipe 2 costs about $1 per batch. Compare this to over-the-counter cold medicines costing $10 to $20 that only mask symptoms. Doctor visits costing $100 plus. Prescription medications costing $30 to $50 plus. Lost work days costing hundreds of dollars. These natural remedies don't just save money. They actually address the root cause by supporting your immune system rather than just suppressing symptoms. Real results from real people. Thousands of people have used these traditional remedies for generations. A comprehensive review of natural immune boosters found that garlic, lemon, honey, and ginger combinations were among the most effective natural remedies studied. The combination works better than any single ingredient alone because they support immunity through different mechanisms. Your body's immune system is incredibly powerful when given the right support. These remedies provide concentrated doses of exactly what your immune system needs to fight off infections quickly and effectively. Try these remedies today. Keep Recipe 1 in your refrigerator year-round for daily immune support. Make recipe to the moment you feel a cold or flu coming on. Share these recipes with your family and friends so they can stay healthy too. Don't forget to consult your doctor, especially if you have any health conditions or take medications. It is better to drink a freshly prepared drink for maximum benefits. Now tell us, have you tried natural remedies like this before? What are your go-to immune boosters? Do you get sick often during cold and flu season? Drop your comments below. We read and reply to everyone. See you in the upcoming videos very soon. Stay healthy, friends.